Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to change language on Fiverr. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Fiverr app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen, you can see options like Home, Messages, Search, Order, and a user icon. Tap on user icon where you can see other options like My Fiverr, Settings and Resources. Under Settings, you're gonna have to tap on Preferences where you'll find Language as the third option right there. Tap on Language, then it's gonna take you to the Settings option of your phone. Tap on Language under Preferred Language, then you can see you can add suggested language or explore other languages from a screen. Go ahead and tap on the language that you want to change it into, then go back. And guys, that's it. That's how you change language on Fiverr. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.